Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Venmo access with two-factor authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your Venmo account if you are not already logged in. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the menu options. Scroll down and find the Security section. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Toggle the switch to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number if it is not already listed. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. You can select either SMS or a third-party authenticator app. If you choose SMS, tap Send Code to receive a text message. Check your messages for the code sent by Venmo. Enter the code into the verification field in the app. If you chose an authenticator app, follow the instructions to link it to your Venmo account. After successfully entering the code, tap Verify. You will see a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is enabled. Now, every time you log into Venmo, you will need to enter a verification code. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You have now successfully authorized Venmo access with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.